overtime. Everybody gets 2 cars.
2 cars.
Here.
Oh.
You go.
Honk your horn. Honk your horn. Honk your horn again. Can you honk your horn? What? Honk your horn.
He rejected you. Alright, now it's my turn.
Okay.
Please be nice. Please be nice. Please be nice.
Don't be nice. Don't be nice. Oh, hello. You're nice.
Beep. Hey, I know him.
Hell no. Okay, my turn.
No.
No, you can go twice.
You heard that evil devil? He was like, no. Go, Monty. Go.
Okay.
This is Monty's second car. That's it.
Honk your horn. Honk your horn.
You're getting too close to the road.
How am I?
You were touching the road.
Oh. Okay, it's Mustafa's turn.
My last car is gonna be special.
But
Oh no, it's not. It's gonna. So right there, you see it?
Yeah. If he doesn't honk it, we're going to overtime.
Okay, here.
Again,
but please make it honk.
Go, dog.
Beep. Beep, 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 beep.
Oh, and it's overtime.
Nah, man. That's not fair.
That's
Okay,
double overtime.
double overtime is only 1 car. Dum.